Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're exploring something that's been generating a lot of buzz in the web development world, FastHTML. If you're tired of juggling multiple languages and frameworks to get your web app up and running, then FastHTML might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Modern web development is complex. You've got HTML for structure, CSS for styling, JavaScript for interactivity, and then a backend language like Python, Ruby, or Java. Add in frameworks like React or Angular, and it's easy to see why building a web app can feel overwhelming. FastHTML is shaking things up by simplifying this entire process. It allows you to build full-featured web apps using just Python. That's right, no more switching between multiple languages. FastHTML brings everything together under one roof, making web development more accessible and efficient. So how does it work? With FastHTML, you write your entire application in Python. The framework uses a direct mapping to HTML, meaning Python functions become HTML tags. It's intuitive, powerful, and cuts down on the amount of code you need to write. Let me show you a quick example. In just a few lines of code, you can create a fully functional web app. And because it's all Python, you get to leverage the full power of the Python ecosystem. Need to add some interactivity? FastHTML uses HTMX, allowing you to trigger server-side events with just a few lines of Python. Now, why does this matter? First, it's about speed. FastHTML apps are quick to develop, quick to deploy, and quick to run. By using Python across the stack, you eliminate the need for context switching between different languages. This speeds up your development process and reduces the chances for errors. Second, it's about scalability. Whether you're building a simple blog or a complex, data-driven application, FastHTML scales with you. It's built on the ASGI standard and uses Unicorn and Starlet under the hood, so it's designed to handle anything from a small prototype to a large, scalable application. But perhaps the most compelling reason to consider FastHTML is its simplicity. It takes the complexity out of web development, making it easier for beginners to get started and for experienced developers to be more productive. If you're already comfortable with Python, then picking up FastHTML is a breeze. So, is FastHTML the future of web development? It certainly has the potential. By streamlining the development process and reducing the need for multiple languages and frameworks, FastHTML could revolutionize the way we build web applications.